Welcome. In front of me is a Bocoin K800, and today I will show you how to access the bootloader mode. So to start off, you will need to actually power off the phone, hold the power key and select power off. Confirm it once more. And wait for the device to shut off. Now, once it has, we will hold volume up and power key simultaneously. So now that it's off, volume up, power key. And we are now in the bootloader mode. So from here you can access the recovery mode, enable fast boot mode, or just boot back up to the normal Android. And to navigate, you want to just use volume up to basically scroll through the options, and volume down is going to be used to confirm it. So I'm just going to select normal boot and confirm it with volume down. So. And we're back in the normal Android, as you can see. So that is basically how you access the bootloader mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.